come back to the meeting every year because I know each year it's going to be custom made for what we need as members. This year we're working on vulnerability, we're working on excellence in science, we're working on guidelines. All those things are plugged into what the members say they need.
I just left Amy Vitale's presentation at the Vivian Thomas plenary session and lecture, and it was mesmerizing. The stories, the way it captured the imagination of people and humankind, how she weaved the pictures into the message that she was delivering, I think really captured the audience in a way nobody was prepared for.
As technology advances in cardiac surgery and also in some of the other specialties that we work with, I think collaborating with our colleagues, other health professionals, is going to be something that is paramount. And I think it's something that we need to learn, how we all fit into that mold to ultimately, have patients get the best care possible.